I think you all are well and healthy, and you have performed very good in science test that was held today. And today I am here to discuss the solution of your test today. Okay? So first question was, which of the following acid is present in tomato? You know that we have studied different type of acids which can be eaten by us, and they all are called weak acids. So the acid present in tomato is oxalic acid. Okay. Tartaric acid is present in turmeric. Citric acid is present in all citrus sour fruits. So the correct answer of our first question is oxalic acid. Then next question was, what does the acid release when dissolved in water? You know that every acid contains H plus ions in it, and whenever it is aqueous in water, means mixed in water, then it will give more H plus ions as well as H3O plus ions. What are H3O plus ions? They are called hydronium ion. So which one will be the correct option? The correct option will be D option, that is A and C both. Yes, whenever acid they release water, they dissolve in water, they release H plus ions as well as hydronium ion. Okay, hydronium means H3O plus ions. Then question number 3, what is the formula of milk of magnesia? Yes, there is a clue also in this. Milk of magnesia means magnesium hydroxide. And what is the formula? MgOH2. The main ingredient of our ENO is also milk of magnesia, and it is used as antacid. To nullify the effect of acid increase in our stomach, we are using ENO, and ENO contain milk of magnesia. Okay. What is the general name of CaO? CaO means calcium oxide. General name was quicklime. Okay. Then MgO, it is magnesium oxide. Do you remember where magnesium oxide is formed? When we burn magnesium ribbon with air, then we are going to get white powder. That white powder is formed of magnesium oxide. Then CaOH2, what is that? Calcium hydroxide. We have done this reaction that whenever the whitewasher start adding calcium oxide with water, then we will get a solution of calcium hydroxide. And do you remember what type of reaction it was? It was exothermic reaction, since heat was coming out. I think in one question you have revised many things, isn't it? Now come to question number 4. Which of the following pH value is more acidic? pH value means power of hydrogen or potential of hydrogen. Okay. So I have told you that whenever we move from 7 to 0, the acidic character increase. So which one is having the minimum value? You can see D option first 1. D option 1 is the correct answer. If we see C option 14, it is the most basic substance present. And what about 9? 9, it is slightly basic. And what about 5? It is also slightly acidic. Okay. Now question number 5. Acid plus base gives. What will happen when acid and base react with each other? Yes, when acid and base react with each other, they form salt along with water. So which one will the correct option? Option number 4, D part. Both A and C are the correct. Whenever any acid react with base, it will give salt and water. And what such type of reactions are called? They are called neutralization reaction. Okay. Now let us do another questions. B part. Answer the following questions. What is neutralization reaction? In previous question also we have done. Neutralization reaction is a reaction in which acid and base react with each other to form salt and water. And you can give examples also. What will be the example? The example will be, see, I have written here HCl plus NaOH. What is HCl? Hydrochloric acid. Then what is NaOH? Sodium hydroxide. When a strong base and a strong acid react with each other, what type of salt they are forming? They are forming neutral salt, that is NaCl, that is sodium chloride along with water. And what is the another name of sodium chloride? That is common salt. Then another example, sulfuric acid H2SO4 when react with NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, then what it will form? It will give Na2SO4 means sodium sulfate along with water. You can write so many examples. In place of NaOH you can write KOH. Then what will be the first product when it react with HCl? It will give KCl in place of NaCl. And if I take it with H2SO4, then it will form K2SO4, that is sodium sulfate. Okay. Now the next question was, what are the physical properties of acid? As you all know that acids are the substance which are sour in taste, which change blue litmus to red. All these are the physical properties of acid. And students, we have done so many chemical properties also, but you are not suggested to write in physical properties. Chemical properties and physical properties are different from each other. Physical properties means where we can easily see the physical appearance. For example, if I taste, physically we can feel it. And if blue litmus is changing to red, so we can easily see the color. So such type of changes or properties are called physical properties of acid. Then physical property of base. Base are bitter in taste. Yes, as acid are sour, they are bitter in taste. Base turn what? Red litmus to blue. Acid change blue to red. Here base will change red to blue. And you can write separately in your notes, not here, chemical properties of acid. I will get you revise once again. What will be the physical property? First, when any acid and base react, it will form salt along with water. That we have done in neutralization also. So what will be the another physical chemical property? That whenever any metal react with any acid, what it form? It will give salt along with hydrogen gas. Okay. Then what will happen when an acid react with metal carbonate? It will give salt along with water plus carbon dioxide. And what will happen when acid react with metal bicarbonate? again same product will be formed, salt, water and CO2. Like this you can write chemical properties also separately and learn all the possible reactions coming in this. So I think today's solution of question paper is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you may ask me while doing comments. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.